Hey all, it's Matt Walsh from Style Factory, the go-to site for advice about e-commerce and digital marketing. Today, I'm going to talk about autoresponders. Stay tuned to find out what they are, the ways they can help your business, and how to send them. But before I begin, I'd just like to invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. This helps us out and lets you access all our digital marketing tips more easily. Okay, so let's kick things off with a definition of what an autoresponder is. Autoresponders are e-newsletters that are sent automatically to your subscribers on your mailing list. They are triggered based on rules and time intervals that you define. For example, you could design a program of autoresponders so that when somebody signs up to your mailing list, they immediately receive a welcome message from your business. 1 week later, they receive discount codes for your products. And 2 weeks later, they receive an invitation to follow you on social media. But why are autoresponders important? Well, as their name suggests, with autoresponders, a lot of your email marketing gets completely automated. If you set up autoresponders correctly, subscribers receive the right messages at the right time from your business, without you having to worry about sending anything out manually. So the main benefit of autoresponders is clear. They save you a lot of time. Not only that, however, autoresponders can generate a lot of income for your business, so long as you are clever about how you use them. So let's take a look at how you use autoresponders in smart ways. Okay, so with autoresponders, you're not restricted to sending messages based solely on time intervals. You can do some very sophisticated things with them based on what you know about your subscribers and the actions they take online. For example, you can switch subscribers from one autoresponder cycle to another if they click on a particular link in a newsletter. This means that you can automatically send a subscriber highly targeted emails about a product they've expressed an interest in. You can also move subscribers from one communication cycle to another straight after they buy a product. This opens up opportunities for upselling. Or you can send emails based on subscription dates. For instance, you could use autoresponders to send your customers a message precisely 1 year after they bought a product to encourage them to extend a warranty. And that's just scratching the surface with autoresponders. There are lots of other interesting ways to use them. But how do you actually send autoresponders? To send autoresponders, you'll need to use an email marketing app. There are lots of these available. Well-known ones include GetResponse, Aweber, and MailChimp. You'll find links to free versions of these apps in the video description. All these apps let you create sophisticated autoresponder cycles based on what your subscribers are interested in and how they interact with your e-newsletters and website. You'll find some links to reviews of these apps and side-by-side comparisons of them in the video description. And that's it, our quick guide to autoresponders. Before I go, a quick reminder to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. And if you have any questions about autoresponders, do leave a comment. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.